Greetings from the Master of Excel YouTube channel again. To assist you in staying organized, I will walk you through the process of creating a basic Excel sales tracker in this video. So let's dive straight in. The initial step is to include the sales you wish to monitor in the table's first column along with the quantity of work or steps needed to assess each location across the top row. Adding checkboxes to the task columns is the next step after listing all of your sales. To do this, select the empty cells in the sales columns, navigate to the Insert tab and select Checkbox. As you can see, each cell now has a checkbox that was automatically added. The final step is to add a progress bar that shows the progress of each product based on how many checkboxes are ticked to the table's last column. You might be asking how to make a progress bar that shows checkboxes without any numbers on them. The nicest part of these checkboxes, though, is that when the checkbox is checked, the cell is set to true. When it is unchecked, the cell is set to false. This is useful since it enables us to compute numbers based on whether a checkbox is ticked or not and reference them in calculations. Red bar charts, which show the number of cells that are checked or, to put it mathematically speaking, equal to true, can be used to construct a progress bar. For those who are not familiar with red bar charts, these are charts that are made by representing bars with the rep function in the stencil typeface. I will filling in some checkboxes or analyzing the sales with the random number. In the text argument, type equals wrapped, followed by an open parenthesis, the bar symbol, and double quotes. All that is left to do is type the number we like to be displayed as a number times parameter. We must provide the number of ticked checkboxes because we are viewing the sales of each product. We may use the COUNTIF function to get the total number of checkboxes. Just enter COUNTIF and select the first row of checkboxes as the range argument. Next, enter true as the criteria argument to count the number of cells within the range that are equal to true, and close parentheses. Change the font to stencil to format the value as a little bar chart. As you can see, we were able to make a little bar chart by modifying the font, but the chart is too small. When every checkbox is checked, we want the progress bar to reach the very right end of the cell. By increasing the scale of the number times argument, we may extend the progress bars. For instance, I will simply double the COUNTIF function by 10 to scale the number times argument. Multiplied on 10. As you can see, when every checkbox is checked, the progress bar now fills the full cell. You can extend the progress bar by multiplying the number times argument by a larger number if it doesn't fit the entire cell. Alternatively, to shorten the progress bar, use a smaller number. Alternately, make the columns width match the bar's lengths. Well, actually, it doesn't matter how you scale the number times argument. Well, this is the end of the lesson. Please feel free to reply with any more queries, leave your comments below, and as usual, if you discover this video is beneficial. Pick the thumbs up icon and subscribe to our channel. Till the next time. Bye bye.